Welcome to our journey through Switzerland, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, vibrant city life and rich traditions. Tucked away in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is a place where snow-capped peaks meet sparkling blue lakes, where medieval towns coexist with cosmopolitan cities and where ancient customs are celebrated with modern flair. This tiny country packs a big punch when it comes to travel experiences. Over the next few days, we'll be your guide as we explore the top destinations Switzerland has to offer. From the bustling streets of Zurich to the serene shores of Lake Lucerne, from the adventure capital of Interlaken to the chic streets of Geneva, we'll discover the best of what this enchanting country has to offer. So, grab your hiking boots, pack your swimsuit, and get ready to experience the magic of Switzerland. Let's go! Our Swiss adventure begins in Zurich, the country's largest city and economic powerhouse. Don't let the business side fool you. Zurich has a charming personality all its own. Imagine strolling along the Limmat River, its emerald green waters reflecting grand facades. Get lost in the cobblestone alleys of the Altstadt, Zurich's enchanting old town. History comes alive with quaint boutiques, cozy cafes and hidden courtyards. Zurich is best explored on foot. Discover elegant shops showcasing Swiss watches and chocolates. Take a break in one of the many inviting cafes. No trip to Zurich is complete without experiencing the waterfront. Hop on a ferry and cruise across Lake Zurich, taking in the breathtaking panorama. Zurich blends its rich history with modern living. Watch the city lights twinkle as the sky turns a fiery orange. Zurich will surprise you with its charm and energy. It's a perfect blend of Swiss efficiency and warm hospitality. Soak it all in and get ready for the next leg of our Swiss journey. Next, we journey to Lucerne, a city often described as a fairy tale come to life. Nestled on the shores of shimmering Lake Lucerne, with snow-capped peaks rising in the distance, Lucerne is a sight that will take your breath away. As you arrive, one of the first things you'll notice is the iconic Chapel Bridge, a covered wooden footbridge dating back to the 14th century. Stroll across its weathered timbers, admiring the painted panels depicting scenes from Lucerne's history. Make sure to look out for the water tower, a fortified stone structure that stands proudly beside the bridge. It once served as a prison and a torture chamber, but thankfully today it houses a much more pleasant attraction, a local artillery guild. Wander through Lucerne's charming old town with its colourful houses adorned with frescoes and its narrow cobblestone streets filled with the scent of fresh bread and flowers. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Lucerne is a city that embraces its history. Visit the Lion Monument, a poignant sculpture carved into a sheer rock face commemorating the Swiss soldiers who died during the French Revolution. For a bird's-eye view of the city and its surroundings, take a scenic ride on the funicular up to Mount Pilatus. The panoramic views from the top are simply unforgettable. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Swiss fondue dinner in one of Lucerne's many cozy restaurants. Dip crusty bread into a pot of melted cheese and soak in the warm ambience of this charming city. Lucerne is a place to slow down, take a deep breath of fresh mountain air, and simply savor the moment. Its beauty is both grand and intimate, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. From here, our Swiss adventure continues, but the memories of Lucerne, with its fairy tale charm and stunning scenery, will stay with us. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as we arrive in Interlaken, Switzerland's adventure capital. Nestled between the turquoise waters of Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, with the majestic peaks of the Jungfrau region as its backdrop, Interlaken is a paradise for thrill-seekers and nature lovers alike. Imagine yourself soaring through the air on a paragliding adventure, the wind whipping through your hair as you take in the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. This is Interlaken. For a different perspective, hop aboard a cable car and ascend to the Schildthorn, a towering peak made famous by the James Bond film on Her Majesty's Secret Service. Enjoy a meal at the revolving restaurant while marveling at the panoramic views of the Eiger, Monch and Jungfrau peaks. If you're up for a challenge, hike the trails that wind through the Lauterbach Gorge, a dramatic canyon carved out by glacial waters. The sound of rushing water and the sight of towering rock walls will leave you in awe of nature's power. Take a scenic boat trip across Lake Thun or Lake Brienz. soaking in the tranquility of the turquoise waters and the picturesque villages that dot the shoreline. Rent a bike and explore the region at your own pace, cycling through rolling hills, vineyards and charming villages. The fresh mountain air and stunning scenery will invigorate your senses. In the evening, treat yourself to a hearty Swiss meal at one of Interlaken's many restaurants. From traditional fondue to hearty rosti, there's something to satisfy every appetite. Interlaken is a place where you can challenge yourself, connect with nature, and create unforgettable memories. So embrace the adventure and let Interlaken take your breath away. Next, we're off to experience the iconic charm of a Swiss mountain village, but the thrills of Interlaken will stay with us. Prepare to be captivated by the timeless beauty of Zermatt, a picture-perfect village nestled at the foot of the mighty Matterhorn. This car-free haven is a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility, stunning scenery and world-class skiing. As you step off the train, the first thing that will catch your eye is the majestic Matterhorn, its iconic pyramidal peak piercing the sky. It's a sight that has inspired awe and wonder for centuries. Stroll through the village's charming streets, lined with traditional wooden chalets adorned with flower boxes and the scent of pine in the air. Horse-drawn carriages clatter by, adding to the fairy tale ambience. Take a ride on the Gernegrat Bahn, Europe's highest open-air cog railway, and ascend to the Gernegrat, a panoramic viewpoint that offers breathtaking views of the Matterhorn and 29 other surrounding peaks. For the ultimate skiing or snowboarding experience, head up to the slopes of the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise, Europe's highest ski resort. With over 360 kilometers of pistes, there's something for everyone from beginners to seasoned pros. Even if you're not a skier, a visit to the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise is a must. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, and you can even cross over to Italy on the glacier. Indulge in a traditional Swiss meal at one of Zermatt's many restaurants, savoring the flavors of the region while enjoying the warm hospitality. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow on the Matterhorn, you'll understand why Zermatt is considered one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Zermatt is a place where time seems to stand still, where nature reigns supreme, and where memories are made that will last a lifetime. Our Swiss adventure continues, but the image of the mighty Matterhorn will forever be etched in our minds. Our Swiss journey culminates in Geneva, a city that effortlessly blends international flair with Swiss sophistication. Located on the shores of shimmering Lake Geneva with the majestic Alps as a backdrop, Geneva is a global promenade, where you'll find locals and visitors alike enjoying the fresh air and stunning views. Be sure to snap a photo of the Jet d'Eau, Geneva's iconic water fountain that shoots a plume of water 140 meters into the air. Explore the cobblestone streets of Geneva's Old Town, a charming labyrinth of historic buildings, boutiques and cafes. Visit St. Peter's Cathedral, a beautiful example of Gothic architecture, and climb to the top of its towers for panoramic city views. Geneva is a city of culture, home to numerous museums, art galleries and theatres. Visit the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum to learn about the organization's humanitarian work, or explore the Patek Philippe Museum, a must-see for watch enthusiasts. No trip to Geneva would be complete without indulging in its renowned chocolate scene. From artisanal chocolatiers to world-famous brands, Geneva offers a delectable array of sweet treats to satisfy every craving. As the sun sets over Lake Geneva, casting a golden glow on the city, enjoy a delicious meal at one of Geneva's many waterfront restaurants. Savor the flavors of Swiss cuisine while soaking in the magical ambience. Geneva is a city that will captivate you with its beauty, its energy, and its unique blend of international charm and Swiss elegance. It's the perfect place to end our Swiss adventure. We hope you've enjoyed our journey through Switzerland, a country that truly has it all, from breathtaking natural beauty to vibrant city life and rich traditions. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Switzerland. We've explored bustling cities, charming villages, and breathtaking natural wonders. We've tasted delicious food, experienced thrilling adventures, and created memories that will last a lifetime. But Switzerland has so much more to offer. We've only just scratched the surface of this amazing country, from its world-class museums and art galleries to its hiking trails and ski slopes. Switzerland is a destination that has something for everyone. We hope this video has inspired you to add Switzerland to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.